Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Rainbow magic. Boop, 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 boop. Sammy, where are you?
I'm coming, Sue! Don't start without me! Hi, guys! We're having a slumber party here!
A unicorn slumber party, to be precise. Oh, guys, Sam and I are having so much fun!
Beautiful! But it's not enough!
Not enough? What do you mean? We have all our unicorn stuff here. And you still want more, Sammy?
Yes, and I know what we need. A real domestic unicorn!
Great idea, Sammy, but I'm afraid that with a unicorn, it'll get a little tight in here.
Well, maybe we can have at least half a unicorn?
Well, okay, we can try to find some space for half a unicorn.
We'll have a unicorn!
Hi, guys! Today we're going to get a new resident in our house. It's a magical unicorn. Only half, actually. Don't worry, this will be a Papercraft.
No unicorns were harmed in the making of this video.
Right you are. You only need a pinch of unicorn magic and lots of paper.
Whoa, it will be a big unicorn!
Yes, and we'll have a splendid pink mane, just like a dream. By the way, it's better to use thicker paper for this craft. That way, it'll serve longer.
There are so many parts here. What do we start with?
This is no question. We start with the horn.
Hooray!
Because it's a special feature of any unicorn and the main source of its magic.
Wow, so pretty! Let's hurry up and assemble it.
Thanks, Sammy. You always do such a great job when it comes to unicorn crafts.
That's because I love them. Guys, did you watch our previous unicorn crafts? I strongly recommend to do so.
By the way, I left the link in the description of this video where you can buy the same template for this unicorn craft. Don't forget to publish your works with #SlickSlimeSam.
So cool! We will definitely check them out.
Done and done. Check out the result.
But this doesn't look like a horn.
Sure, we still need to assemble it. See, there are lines with longer dots and shorter ones.
Oh, this is difficult. What if we do it wrong?
No, it's actually easy. Lines with longer dots are the veils. We fold them towards us.
This does look like a veil.
And here we will fold in the opposite direction. These are the mountains.
I got it! Holy cannoli, this is easy peasy.
Done. We only need to stick it together.
Do you mean that we will need this?
Sammy, this tape can secure all parts much better. We don't want our unicorn to fall apart, right?
You're right. Unicorn is more important.
Don't be so upset. Guys, please support Sam with a thumbs up. It'll cheer him up. So, a little more. And our horn is done. Can't wait to proceed. Phew, so many parts. Sammy, how are you doing?
Veil, veil, mountains, veil. Oh, there really are so many of them.
Phew, while Sam is busy, I'll give you some important tips. Follow the instructions and assemble everything step by step. I'll start with these ones. We can glue them right away, so they don't get confused later.
I am done. Give me another task.
Sammy, could you please throw out all the trash? This pile will soon occupy the whole table.
That's not a problem for Master Sam. We'll be done in a moment. Oh, so much trash.
Thanks, Sammy. And I'll give you the last tip. See the tape? I stuck it to the inner sides of our parts beforehand. We just need to put them together. It's easy. We find the matching numbers and stick them together, like this. Ta-da!
Shiver me shadows, this is so awesome! And what is that?
Looks like a nose? I'm not sure. Sammy, have you seen the instructions?
Oh, jeez. I guess I threw it away into the trash can. This is a catastrophe! I'll find it soon!
Wait, Sammy, wait. It's all right. Don't panic.
Oh.
I opened the instructions on my tablet. Why haven't I thought of this before? Voila! The day is saved!
Phew! I already started to say bye to our unicorn. But Sam and Sue don't give up that easily, right, guys?
And Sammy never panics, does he?
Hi.
Guys, look, we already made most of it. I can't wait to finish. I am looking forward to the end result.
Sue, what do I do now?
Well, you can fold the rest of the parts.
I just completed this mission. Is there anything else?
Oh, Sammy, of course. We'll find a task for you. Let's see. Here, take these parts and start assembling this segment.
Oh, cool. And what segment is it?
Something interesting. You'll know when you're done.
Oh, well, I love interesting things. Thanks, Sue.
I hope it'll take Sam a little longer. I already can't keep up with him. Guys, do you like unicorns as much as we do? If yes, give a thumbs up so we know how many unicorn fans we have here. How is Sam doing there, I wonder? I need to finish and help him. Guys, we're almost done with the mane.
Done! That was a piece of cake.
You're done? For real?
Of course! You know how I like paper crafts.
Sammy, you even secured it with tape? Wow, you did awesome. I'm so proud of you.
I am not afraid of tape when it comes to unicorns.
Then would you be so kind and help me, Master Sam? Together we'll do it faster.
Sure, Master Sam to the rescue.
Guys, we're at the finish line. We did a huge job. Take breaks if you need them. Don't forget to rest.
Sue, do we need this?
Well done. Sure, otherwise we can't hang our unicorn on the wall. We'll hang it like a photo frame. That way we can move it easily if we want to.
Sue, let's hang it above the bed, please.
Okay, deal. I was thinking about that too. That's it, guys. Do you want to check out how the unicorn looks on the wall? We won't make you wait anymore.
Wow, Sue, this is awesome!
Yes, Sammy. You came out beautifully. What a magical creature.
The party is a success!
Yeah, guys, did you like it?
Subscribe to our channel. We'll make more unicorn videos. And we need to continue the party! Woo!
Bye, guys. We're off to do some unicorn dancing.